welcome Abhishek Mishra. Abhishek Mishra is a senior product manager from Wakefit, and he'll walk us through what exactly they have been doing, how they are analyzing the data, and how they are driving the engagement. Over to you, Abhishek.
Oh, thanks, Anand. Thanks, Anand, for having us here and letting me use this forum to share some of our insight and use cases and some of the results which we had got using MoEngage, right? So first of all, I would like to tell you a bit about Wakefit. So Wakefit is a D2C brand which build sleep solution and home solutions. We are one of the leading sleep solution players in India in online space, and we are also catching up in home solution. I hope like most of you have might have heard about Wakefit's sleep internship.
Yes, we do. Yeah,
Okay,
it's very nice.
right. So we are one of the online first company in this domain, which directly ship products from their factory to the consumer. So every year we serve around 1 million users, and we have our operation across pan India. Okay. Uh, and we deal directly with the user, and anyone can easily relate for a D2C C platform. Understanding the user and its behavior is the key crux to crack the market, right? So as an online platform, like we have substantial traffic, and we need to ensure that the customer visits the right product at the right time of his user journey, right? And to understand this particular user behavior, we need very deep insights about the user, his action he's performing, and about his buying pattern. So here for this MoEngage like helped us a lot. Like MoEngage was the right partner for us. We had evaluated a number of tools in the market, and we found MoEngage as the best fit for us, right? uh, MoEngage as a platform not only help us with the insights, okay, but it also help us, to get a lot of understanding about the visibility of how our consumer is interacting in our website and mobile platform, right? What our users' behavior is, and what is buying pattern, and how the user is moving along the funnel, right? uh, and also I would like to add this point also. So MoEngage power dashboards actually help us to take lots of data driven business decisions. Even in our organization at Wakefit, across different organization, you start from purchase planning or marketing. Like we are very heavily dependent upon MoEngage analytics platform to take our day-to-day business decisions, right? Yeah. So in this session, I would like to talk like how MoEngage help us to increase our conversion, right? Or how MoEngage has helped us to build our strategies to boost the sale, or how MoEngage data actually help us to introduce product-led growth features in our product, and how we were able to able to crack the user by targeting them at the right time through the right channel or medium, right? So and also thanks for letting us to share these use cases. So today I am going to talk about how MoEngage help us to crack three problems of growth, okay? That is discoverability, engagement, and user conversion, right? So yeah. So starting with this, I would like to talk about the first use case. Anand, can you take us to the next slide?
Yeah.
Yeah. So in my first use case, I would like to talk how MoEngage help us to build a strategy to boost sales of some of our product, right? So since I mentioned we are a sleep solution based company, so mattresses is one of our top selling product, and we are leaders in that. So brand leaders in mattresses and its other products like pillows, protector, and all. So we have one such product which is called mattress protector. Okay, so mattress protector is like a relatively new product, or say a new category in India, and like marketing it is a very tough challenge. Like we have to strategically place the brand and all. Uh, Although our marketing team was able to successfully brand it and build a brand position for protector, but we noticed, like, we are not getting a very good traffic, or let's say engagement around this product, right? And at that point at that point of time, like, we had recently started using the MoEngage. So we completely mapped the every funnel, or every movement of our user with the MoEngage analytics, right? And here we were basically relying upon MoEngage behavior platform. Okay, so like, can you take us to the next slide? Right. Okay. So basically, since we have mapped every step of our user funnel, we noticed that, so in our website, like from home page, category page, and product description page, we noticed that for this particular mattress protector page, like the product description page, we were getting very less number of clicks, or very less traffic as compared to our other products like pillows and all, right? And after doing the brief analysis and doing the root cause analysis, we understand that although we were able to successfully position this product in the market, still in our platform the visibility was very less. As you can see from this chart, like the click is very low, or the traffic was very low. And under like using these insights from MoEngage, we came to the conclusion that, it is the discoverability which is a challenge for us, right? So based on all these analysis and insight, we came out with a solution. So if you can take us to a next page. Yeah. So basically we introduce a combo product widget, right? Because based on the data from MoEngage, we were confident that, okay, discoverability is one particular challenge we wanted to fix, and here we align our product team to work around this issue. Because through the help of MoEngage, we were able to find out, like, what was the key challenge, or the key problem space we had to figure out. And our team came around this solution of introducing this combo product widget, where so basically people who were actually landing on our mattress page, we were also showing them this mattress protector as a combo product, right? And like after introduction of this particular widget, we noticed a very good number of sale, right? And like after this introduction of this widget, and within like 30 days or like a month, we were able to introduce increase our sale by 70% for this mattress protector, right? So this was one use case where how MoEngage behavior analysis help us to crack this particular problem, right? Yeah. So that is the first use case I wanted to cover, like how MoEngage help us. Now, another problem or use cases which I want to talk is around funnel analysis. So in our Wakefit platform, we have like, for any e-commerce platform, like cross selling is one of the key factors to sell their sell their product. And for that, like, uh, as a general practice, we also have this cross selling or like product recommendation widget, where we were recommending a product when someone add their product in cart. So we were recommending some of the product which we thought they're high likely to build. The issue with this recommendation thing is, like, this was not backed by data, but this was based by human intuition data, like, which was given by our sales team and all. Okay. Again here, MoEngage helped us a lot. So here we were using MoEngage funnel analysis tool, right? So for the product, So okay, so let me quote this example. So let's say if someone is coming to our product, and let's say they are buying like any product, so based on that category we were showing other top selling product of that category. Okay, we noticed that since the conversion was also here in terms of engagement, I means the number of click, number of add to cart and add to wish list. Okay, we noticed that these were not very good, and we wanted to improve upon that. So here we start using the funnel analysis, and we try to understand the behavior of the user, like like for, let's say, for a product, for the first position, the first position was of a lawn chair. We look around the funnel and we show the conversion is very low. But let's say for the other product in the same category, the conversion was high, right? So based on these funnel analysis, we were able to get a good amount of data from MoEngage. So for which category, which product we should show them, show the users, right? And based on this data and recommendation, we actually reiterated our entire recommendation widget engine, right? And added this data, what we got from MoEngage, and yeah, we saw a very good results, right? And like, and based on this, like I would like to add, in our last quarter we were able to do 2x our revenue, right? So this is where how we were able to utilize the funnel analysis in our case, and help us to increase our revenue, right? Yeah. And again, so this is my first second use case was where, like, how MoEngage help us to help us to crack us the code for engagement. And okay, and now I would like to present our third use case. And again, this is a very interesting use case, right? So for every e-commerce, or let's say every online platform, login or sign up is a big puzzle to crack, right? And like even we were facing the same. So let me give you some context. Okay, so initially in Wakefit platform, our login flow was based on a password, was password based, like like a user has to enter his credential and password to log in, and then he can move forward, right? So here we were so for this scenario we were using behavior funnel, and also time to conversion path, basically, right? So we noticed that like from our login page to the address page, only 73% of the user were moving by. And just to add, these were the same people who have added product to the cart, and then they are logging. So generally these are very high intent users, right? Like they have very high attention, but still only 73% is users are going. That is a big loss for us, right? So here we engage optimization, conversion, and time to use and user path charts from MoEngage, right? And we observe that uh, like uh, like based on these data, like so a very interesting insight came from us, as was from time to convert, right? So we noticed even in for example, like let's say for mobile devices, time to convert, like from user coming to the login, entering the password, the time was 2x. Okay, the time was quite higher, and also the conversion was very less. So based on these observation, we or these data, like, or the insights which we gathered, our product team came around a solution to introduce an OTP based login, right? And basically this idea was mainly backed by time to conversion funnel, because we understand that user is taking very high time to convert. Apart from that, this conversion being low, right? And that is what I think you mentioned uh, in the previous slide also,
Right.
right? So we were able so again, after introducing this OTP based login, right? And also again, based on the conversion funnel, like we got more insight around user, like how they are interacting on other page. So we did this design changes. Okay, and guess what, we were able to, prevent our drop offs of from this part of the funnel. And from 73%, the conversion shoot down to 84%. And one very interesting thing, observation was, we were able to reduce our time to conversion from 2x to x, right? Like 50%. That like 50% were user were moving faster in this process, and also the conversion has gone up for our checkout flow. And basically, this was one of the major change. Okay, but since we have this MoEngage data, this actually gave us a confidence to take this decision, because changing the user flow is not an easy decision. Like you have to manage, convince your management and all, right? So these data came handy for us, and we were able to take this decision, and we were able to get these results. So we have around 12% conversion, 11 to be precise, 11% conversion. We were able to increase. But the best time was like our like time to conversion has also increased, decreased by 50%, which is a good thing.
Yeah.
Right. And also I would like to add one more point. Again, after adding this data, again after the fun doing this funnel analysis, we were able to add WhatsApp based login, where we, instead of sending SMS, we were able to engage WhatsApp, and the numbers are quite promising. Like they are exciting, right? So these are my three of the use cases where actually MoEngage help us a lot to crack around the problems of discoverability, engagement, and conversion, right?
That's great to know, Abhishek. I think we all know we are because changing the conversion funnel and doing an UI modification over there are very tough, because you don't want to destroy the current system. You don't know that
Right.
you're going to do is going to increase or decrease. But yeah, when we are backed with data and the right insights, we can generally take that call with confidence. And yeah, we have already seen in your case that you have increased the conversion. You have also increased the time to convert. With
Right.
this, we'll open for everyone, for anyone can ask the questions in the Q&A or in the chat as well. We'll take the questions from here. So we have both. I think there's some question which is already answered, but I'll take them again. Cesar has asked, what is the analytics solution that you are using, and fully in-house or whitelisted product? This is the fully in-house product that we have built. And in behavior analysis, we provide more than 6,600 combinations of the product. The data is almost real time. Some places you'll see the data in almost seconds, and some of the places you probably see the data in 10-15 minutes. All charts are available in our in the tool as well.
Right.
Yeah. We have one more question here, open, which is, event related data is captured by MoEngage, or do you integrate with GA kind of too? We do have an SDK where we can get the data. We also integrate with segment.io. We are also integrating with mParticle, where we can get data from. So we have SDK, and we are also have direct tie with the CDPs, where you can just within one simple click you can send the data. GA, probably GA would be competitor in this regard, so we may not be able to get data from GA. Yeah. Vijay has another question. How did we come up with the conclusion about designing widget and discoverability? So Abhishek, this is for you. How did you conclude about designing the widget?
Okay. So as I mentioned, like designing the widget was a kind of a product-led growth feature. Okay, but let me give you the insight. So initially, when we got this insight, we also have this conclusion. Like we might be not be like placing positioning our product or marketing it very well, right? But again, from MoEngage, so from MoEngage data only, like the ads we run, we came along, like like we are getting good number of clicks, like people are coming, but they were not moving to the PDB page, right? So here we thought that why not bring the this page very closer to the uh, to the main product, and that's how where we came along building the widgets instead of spending more on marketing and all.
Got
So
got
yeah.
Yeah. So Sandeep has another question. Do you need data scientists to drive inside? No, it is everything is driven by the tool automated.
Yeah, so right, and here one thing I would like to add, like being as a MoEngage user, like although we have a dedicated data science team at our place, but the MoEngage dashboards, like they are one of the best thing for us. Like you can easily build funnel and like made your dashboard, and these are updated on real time basis. So yeah, that is a big lifesaver for us.
Yeah. Thanks, Abhishek. A few of the questions that I have in the chat, I'll answer them. How it is different from Google Analytics? Probably, I would say Google Analytics does sample your data. We do not, and we do provide a lot of event-based and user-based analysis. I would let the comparison left up to you guys. Is there a specific name of the product that you showed the demo? We are just calling it at MoEngage. Everything comes under MoEngage. If you're looking to buy, probably you can look for MoEngage Analytics. You can talk to the sales and just get MoEngage Analytics if you're looking at it. What is the cost incurred for your different product, or do you provide packages with multiple products? We do provide packages with multiple products if you're interested. Yeah, generally we are selling it as an inside-led engagement. We don't think that analytics and engagement should be a different product. It should be a seamless product, but it is up to you how you would want to use it. Any more question? I think Q&A, I have one more question. Can you elaborate briefly on target segment identification? Target segment identification at MoEngage can be done in multiple different ways. We have a segment, we have segmentation product, or some people call it as an audience product, where you can filter user based on user attribute, event attribute. You can filter based on user's affinity towards a specific product, item, or a service. And then you can create that particular segment and then take that forward. You can directly create the segment and take that into the campaign, create a campaign from that. Or you can go to the analytics. As we have been showing today, you can go to multiple different charts, analyze the user, just click on the charts, create a segment and directly analyze. We do provide geolocation and mobile number. Geolocation, we get it from the IP. Mobile number, we do not get that information. So client would have to send this information to us. What is the difference between segment.io and MoEngage? Segment.io is a CDP where it just send your data to multiple different platforms, and segment.io can send data to MoEngage as well. So MoEngage becomes a destination for segment.io. So MoEngage is a, you can say, inside-led engagement tool, and segment is a CDP tool. I think open questions is also answered. Any other questions, guys, that we can take now? Okay, I think that's it. Okay, thanks everyone. I think that's all the question that you have